25th of December 2025, Christmas Day, and I am down at Tyresö Castle. She's right there behind me, and I'm going to test out my new Canon R7 and hopefully find some nice birds. There's quite a few photographers out today. It's quite a nice bright early morning or late morning afternoon, so it's a little bit windy. The bird feeding station is just over here behind me, so I'm gonna get the binoculars out and the camera out and hopefully get some nice photos as well.
Catch the first light's ray, a golden thread I dare not break. You stir half asleep and mumble my name, a prayer I'll keep no matter what's at stake. Sun creeps higher, painting your skin in strokes of amber, pink and cream. I trace the outline where your shoulder begins, afraid to wake you from this dream. Mornings come, but this one stays, etched in my mind, a perfect scene. Love here is the quiet, unrushed days that turn ordinary moments into queens. The sheets rustle as you shift closer, your breath warm against my neck. I count the freckles on your shoulder, a constellation I'll never neglect. The alarm clock hums, but we ignore the world that waits beyond the door. For in this light, in this soft warmth, we found what we've been searching for.
definitely say I'm really happy with how the autofocus and the animal eye detection is working on the Canon R7. Even with the EF, I'm using a 70 to 300 EF lens, but it's still really fast. Birds are obviously very fast, so you do definitely miss some shots, but that happens in every situation. It's just really nice to be out here, get to use the new camera. We'll come back to the bird feeding station later on, and some information about it. So they have in Sweden we have Swish, which is literally an app where you can send money directly by the second. So they have a Swish set up so people can help fund the project to keep the birds fed throughout the winter. I met one of the guys the last time and they said that it would be probably around 20,000 crowns, which is around 2,000 euros or US dollars, around there. So quite a lot of money goes into this. So yeah, and they have a key. I'm guessing that key on the tree is for opening the feeder. I'm not sure. I won't be touching it. But we're gonna head over to the other side near the castle and see if we can see any other birds. So some of the other people saw the kingfisher. I haven't seen it yet. Apparently it flew right by where I'm standing now. But there's not much flying around at the moment. I'm gonna make our way back to the start. The rain is coming a little bit, so I don't want to be out too much longer if I don't have to be. No point in getting sick for a photograph. But yeah, it's really nice to get out. Really happy with how the camera performs. So yeah, it's a good day nonetheless. Okay, so now we're home again, and that was a great day out. 25th of December, a lot of really nice photographs taken, and can't wait to edit them. I got some nice video to test out the slow motion capabilities on the video on the Canon R7. The autofocus, the sharpness, I guess I'm going to see the sharpness whenever I get onto the computer, but everything seemed really nice in camera. Yeah, I'm super happy and really excited to keep using this camera. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try and do a weekly photography challenge in 2026. So if I can make videos every week, I'm not sure, but I will definitely try. But at least I'll get more updates on my social media for that there. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you've had a great holidays. Look after yourselves. Ciao.